everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this really pretty, effortless, soft glam makeup tutorial. We're not wearing any fake lashes, just some really pretty shimmery shadow, and everything else we kept really neutral and glowy. Funny stories. Actually, it's not so funny because I wasted my time, but before this I was trying to film like this purple smoky eye. It went south so quick. Like, I'll insert some footage for you guys to kind of get an idea of how it looked like. So I just erased it and filmed something like this just because I feel like this is a little bit more relatable, appealing to a lot of my audience. You guys request a lot of these kinds of looks. Anyways, if you guys want to know how I do this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so first I'm filling in my eyebrows with this Rimmel brow pen I've been testing out, and so far so good. I've been into like a more natural brow, so this just fills in the sparse areas. And then for today's eyeshadow, we're using the Soft Glam by ABH, and this is like literally the best neutrals eyeshadow palette in my opinion. It just has any color that you need for a soft glam look. And first we're going in with the shade Dusty Rose, and I'm grabbing a fluffy blending brush and just placing that into my crease. I didn't use any eyeshadow primer or concealer. I actually don't notice a difference when I'm wearing it or not wearing it, so I guess it just depends on the day, like if I feel like doing the extra step and putting it on, but today I didn't. So next we're going in with Sienna, and this is a brown with really deep red undertones, so it's really rich in color, so you have to be really careful when using it. So I'm just using a few different brushes to apply and then a different brush to blend. So the secret is just to take it slow, one step at a time. Don't apply too much eyeshadow at once because then it's going to be like a giant patch. So you just want to take it step by step. Next we're going in with Mulberry, and Mulberry is insanely pigmented, so I'm just packing this color on and getting the shape that I want, which is like a V shape on my outer corner, and I'm just kind of stamping this product in place and then grabbing my clean blending brush and just lightly blending out the edges without messing up my V, because I really want that definition to be there. And then I like to go in with a little bit of concealer and just clean up the edges, and as you guys can see, it makes a world of a difference. It just looks so much better. So I just like to do that little trick just so I can kind of like see where I'm going with this eye look. And then to deepen up the eye look, I'm actually dipping my brush into a little bit of black, and this just creates the illusion of like a smoky liner, but we're not using any kind of eyeliner or anything. It just really added that extra intensity in like the eye look. Alright, so for the lid, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Eyeshadow Base, and this is just going to be our base for our eye pigment that we're going to use next, which is from Sleek Makeup, and this is just a loose pigment. You can use any brush to apply, or you can use your finger. I just grabbed what was like at my reach, so I just grabbed this pencil brush and that worked just fine. But you can actually use any eyeshadow for the lid. That's just the beauty of it. So I love gold, and I think gold is really flattering on my complexion, so I just always go for gold, but you guys can do like a rosy color or whatever your heart desires. Next, for foundation, we're going to try out this Photo Focus Dewy foundation from Wet n Wild, and I love the original, so I was really excited about this dewy version, and oh my goodness, you guys, I cannot put this foundation down. It is so beautiful and flawless on the skin. It just gives you such a pretty, healthy, luminous looking glow, and it's only $6, which is so crazy to me. So there's a lot of shades that you can choose from. And I'll have my correct shade down below in the description because I don't remember which one I am, but I like to use like this large paddle brush to blend it out, and then I go over the Tati Beauty Blendiful just to press the foundation into my skin so I know it's set and it's not going to go anywhere. But as you guys can see, it just looks really skin-like on my skin, and I love it. So for my under eye concealer, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Nude, and I'm just applying a little bit underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to take the mini Blendiful and press that concealer underneath my eyes. And I noticed that with the Blendiful, my concealer comes out much more full coverage, which is something I need because I do have dark circles, and I mean, if I can get the most out of my product, then might as well do that, you know? So definitely been loving the Blendiful for that. And then I take the same puff and use powder, like loose powder, to set my under eyes and just let it sit. And I was using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, adding a little bit of extra eyeshadow along my lower lash line. And this is optional, but you guys can go ahead and apply like a creamy white eyeliner in the waterline, and this just opens up your eyes and makes them look a little bit more bigger. And then I also went ahead and applied an extra coat of mascara. This one is from e.l.f. It's the Curl Me Up mascara, I believe, but I've really been enjoying it. Like, it's actually a really nice mascara. It like lasts a really long time all day. All right, to finish off the face makeup, I'm going in with the Rimmel London Radiance Brick bronzer. It's like a really pretty shimmery bronzer. And I'm literally applying that all over my face because I want to have like that really pretty warm glow. And then for my blush, I'm using the Milani Luminoso. So beautiful. Love this blush. It's like a must-have in my opinion. Alright, so for highlighter, we're going in with the Balm Mary Luminizer, and I'm applying this highlighter with my Beige Cosmetics brush. And I like to apply the highlight on the highest points of my cheekbones, blending it upwards towards the end of my brow, the center of my nose, center of my forehead, my lip, and my chin. And then for my lips, I'm going in with my ultimate favorite drugstore lip pencil. This one is the NYX in Nude Beige. It is the perfect color. I love it so much. Next, we're going in with MAC Honeylove, and then for the gloss, we're using the Soap and Glory gloss, and that is our finished glam look. I love it so much. It's so pretty, but it's actually so easy to achieve. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you subscribe and stick around, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.